If you're a senior, or you're caring for one, this video may be one of the most important you watch this year. Protein in the urine is often the earliest sign that the kidneys are under real stress, long before pain or symptoms appear. The good news is that certain fruits can support kidney filtration, reduce inflammation, and help you protect your energy and independence. Today, you'll discover the 3 fruits that may help your kidneys work more efficiently, and the 4 fruits many seniors are unknowingly eating that can quietly worsen protein leakage. Most people get this wrong, and it's the difference between improving your numbers and making the problem worse. Before we dive in, hit the like button and tell me where you're watching from. And make sure you subscribe so you never miss strategies that could save you from unnecessary suffering. Let's start with the first fruit that has been shown to support healthier kidney filtration and reduce pressure on the kidneys. Blueberries. Blueberries are one of the most kidney protective fruits because they are rich in anthocyanins, antioxidants that reduce inflammation and oxidative stress inside the kidneys. This is critical, because oxidative stress is one of the main reasons kidneys begin leaking protein into the urine. I once worked with a senior in his late 60s who came in frustrated. His lab results showed persistent protein in the urine, and despite doing everything right, the numbers weren't improving. One of the first dietary changes we made was simple: adding half a cup of blueberries daily. After several weeks, his follow-up lab showed a noticeable reduction in protein markers, and just as important, he reported less ankle swelling and more steady energy throughout the day. This aligns with a 2022 study published in the Journal of Renal Nutrition, where adults consuming antioxidant-rich berries experienced up to a 25% improvement in proteinuria-related markers, suggesting better kidney filtration. For seniors, the ideal intake is half a cup per day. Blueberries can be eaten fresh or frozen, or blended with water into a simple smoothie, no added sugar. To improve absorption, pair them with a small amount of healthy fat, such as a teaspoon of olive oil or a few nuts. When taken consistently, many people begin noticing reduced swelling and improved daily energy within a few weeks. Now, the second fruit supports kidney healing in a completely different way, by protecting blood vessels and improving circulation to the kidneys. And this is where many seniors make an important mistake. Pomegranate. Pomegranate supports kidney health by reducing inflammation and improving blood flow to the kidneys, which helps protect the delicate filtration units responsible for keeping protein in the bloodstream and out of the urine. When inflammation is lowered, the kidneys can filter more efficiently and with less strain. I worked with a woman in her early 70s who struggled with swelling and rising protein levels despite being careful with salt and fluids. When we added a daily serving of pomegranate, just 1 cup of fresh seeds, she noticed something surprising within weeks. Her morning swelling reduced, her urine appeared clearer, and follow-up labs showed stabilization instead of progression. Small change, meaningful impact. Research has shown that the polyphenols in pomegranate help protect kidney tissue and reduce inflammatory stress, particularly in older adults whose kidneys are more vulnerable to damage. This makes pomegranate especially helpful for seniors dealing with protein leakage. For best results, aim for 1 cup of fresh pomegranate seeds or half to 1 cup of 100% unsweetened pomegranate juice daily. Avoid blends with added sugars. A simple but powerful tip: consume pomegranate with a teaspoon of olive oil. Healthy fats enhance the absorption of its protective compounds, allowing them to work more effectively inside the kidneys. Next, the third fruit may surprise you. It's commonly eaten, often underestimated, and plays a major role in improving kidney circulation, but timing matters, and I'll explain why. Red grapes. The next fruit may surprise you. Most seniors overlook it, yet it plays a powerful role in kidney repair by improving circulation and reducing pressure on the kidneys. Red grapes are rich in resveratrol, a natural compound known to support blood vessel function. Healthy blood flow is critical for kidney health, because your kidneys rely on steady circulation to filter waste without leaking protein into the urine. When circulation improves, kidney workload decreases. I remember a gentleman in his early 70s who struggled with persistent fatigue and borderline protein levels. He wasn't dehydrated, wasn't overeating salt, yet his numbers stayed stubborn. When we added a modest serving of red grapes daily, along with timing them as a light afternoon snack, his energy gradually improved and his kidney labs stabilized instead of worsening. For seniors, the ideal amount is 10 to 15 red grapes per day, eaten whole with the skin intact, since the skin contains much of the resveratrol. To get the most benefit, eat red grapes on their own, rather than after a heavy meal. This helps prevent blood sugar spikes and allows the kidney supportive compounds to absorb more efficiently. Now that you know the 3 fruits that actively support kidney healing, The next part is just as important, because some fruits people eat every day can quietly increase kidney stress and worsen protein leakage. 4 dangerous fruits seniors must avoid. Many seniors assume all fruits are healthy, but several commonly eaten fruits can quietly strain the kidneys, especially when proteinuria is present. Avoiding even one of these harmful fruits can help prevent further kidney stress and potential long-term damage. Starfruit. Starfruit contains a neurotoxin called caramboxin. Healthy kidneys can usually filter this out, but in seniors with kidney strain or protein leakage, the toxin can accumulate rapidly. High levels can lead to nausea, vomiting, confusion, neurological symptoms, and in severe cases, acute kidney failure. Starfruit also increases oxidative stress, which can worsen proteinuria. Grapefruit. Grapefruit contains compounds that interfere with enzymes responsible for metabolizing many medications, including blood pressure medications, statins, and certain kidney protective drugs. This interference can cause medication levels to spike, putting extra stress on the kidneys and potentially leading to dangerous side effects. Grapefruit can also interact with potassium levels and affect fluid balance, further straining kidney function. Safer alternative: pomegranate or small portions of oranges, which provide vitamins and antioxidants without interfering with medications. Bananas. Bananas are very high in potassium, which is normally beneficial. However, seniors with kidney strain or protein leakage may struggle to excrete excess potassium efficiently. Elevated potassium levels can lead to heart rhythm disturbances, muscle weakness, fatigue, and increased kidney stress. Over time, consistently high potassium intake can worsen kidney function and accelerate protein leakage. Dried fruits. Dried fruits like raisins, dates, prunes, and dried apricots are concentrated sources of sugar, potassium, and phosphorus. Even small servings can spike blood sugar, promote inflammation, and increase kidney workload. Their concentrated nature means they deliver nutrients much faster than fresh fruit, which can overwhelm weakened kidneys and worsen proteinuria. Avoiding these 4 fruits can significantly reduce kidney strain, help stabilize protein levels in the urine, and support overall kidney function. Making these dietary adjustments is a critical step toward preserving kidney health and preventing progression of kidney-related complications. Medical research consistently confirms that diet plays a direct and powerful role in kidney health, especially as we age. The kidneys are highly sensitive to inflammation, oxidative stress, and blood flow changes, all of which are influenced by the foods you eat daily. When seniors consistently include kidney-friendly fruits rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, measurable improvements often appear within weeks. These changes help strengthen the kidney's filtering units, reducing protein leakage into the urine and easing overall kidney strain. In fact, a 2023 clinical study observed that seniors who consumed antioxidant-rich fruits every day experienced a 20 to 25% reduction in protein leakage markers, along with improvements in circulation and energy levels. This is why targeted food choices are not just supportive, but a foundational part of protecting and preserving kidney function over time. If you want more natural kidney health tips and strategies to protect your kidneys before problems escalate, go ahead and hit subscribe now. This way, you'll never miss important updates that could save your kidney function. Now that you know how blueberries and pomegranate can actively support your kidneys, comment below which fruit you're planning to add to your daily routine. Your experience could help others make smarter choices too. If you found these tips helpful, like this video and share it with a senior you care about. Taking action today can make a real difference in kidney health. Your kidneys will thank you for it. Proteinuria doesn't have to control your life. By including these 3 kidney healing fruits and avoiding the 4 harmful ones, you can support your kidneys naturally, regain energy, and protect your independence. Start today and watch how small, consistent choices can transform your kidney health and improve your overall well-being.